Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to update your website on Wix. Keeping your content fresh and your information accurate helps your site look its best. Let's get started. Here on your Wix dashboard, you can see your website is already open in the editor. Let's say you want to update something. In this example, we have deleted some text, and now we want to publish that change. All we need to do is click the Publish button. Once we publish, Wix will update the website with our latest changes. The text we deleted will no longer appear on the live site. The site will refresh and show the new layout right away. If we want to make more edits, we simply click the Edit option to go back into the editor. And that's all there is to it. That's how we update a website on Wix. It's quick and easy to make changes and keep everything up to date.